Hello guys. Good morning. Did you hear the Go Live earning money? Aside from affiliate marketing, you can earn now on Go Live. I'm so happy because I am an affiliator and at the same time, I can now earn through my story, through my live with this Go Live feature of TikTok where you can post your everyday routine, your hobby, or your fashion of like cooking, like your everyday routine, and tell it to your viewers. Feature of TikTok, this TikTok Live encourages us to do our routine, our show, and to be present. I believe in the saying that consistency is key and showing up every day that you can do, you can motivate others, you can motivate you yourself actually. So now that this feature is so trending, let's try it and share our story. Share our routine, share our cooking skills, share our singing skills that could make our life more comfortable and ourselves confident making those videos, sharing it to others. Every day is a blessing, everyone. We should always be thankful. Be thankful to our God, to our universe. That is, so if you're not trying to go live, this feature help us showcasing our skills and good vibes. So I encourage everyone to let's try the go live. Let's try this feature and we can earn money. For that, read first the criteria. That's for it for today, guys. Good morning.